Happy Saturday, everybody. It's Mo Morales, and I'm going to go do a birthday photo shoot today for a very special guest. Come here. Come on, get up here. We have our guest of honor today, PJ. He's turning 10 today, and I haven't done a shoot of him in a long time, so I figured I'll take the camera with me, the GoPro with me, and we'll do a little behind the scenes on pet photography. It's kind of more difficult when you're outdoors because there's more distractions. So first things you gotta need is doggy bags for picking up the poop. You need treats to keep them focused, and patience, because you will be taking many shots hoping to get that one moment. That's the one thing about pets, especially less trained pets. PJ's a pretty good trained pet. He's used to being photographed by me, so it won't be as difficult as it would be a random, rambunctious, 11-month-old puppy who has very poor training because their parents let them do whatever they want. Yes, I said parents. So yeah, let's head down to a place to photograph and get this little monkey famous. Oh, give me a kiss. Wow, he's a handsome dog. Sorry you had to see that. All right, let's go. Come here. Sit down. Sit down. Stay. Nice. Stay. Nice. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stay. Stay. Good boy. Stay. Sit down. Hey, you're being fresh. Come on. You're a good boy. Come on here. Come on here. Hey, sir. PJ, come here. Stay. 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 PJ, sit down. Sit down. Look at me. Hey. Sit down. PJ, sit down. Sit down. No. Come here. Come here. Why are you being fresh? Good boy. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Good boy. Boy. Sit down. Stay there. Sir? Sir? How you doing? Good boy. You're a handsome man. Stay there. Stay there. PJ. Hey. Look at me. Stay, 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 stay. Come here. Oh, come here. You're so fresh. You see another dog, you don't know how to respect nobody? PJ, sit down. So out of that whole set, we probably just got one or two that we'll use. Maybe more, who knows? But either way, you have to remember, dogs don't have patience, so you have to have patience. Especially in an environment that they've never been in. They want to explore, they want to check everything out. And when there's other dogs walking by, which is why you saw him get up a lot. Hoboken's famous for having thousands of dogs walking around. It's a dog city. What are you gonna do? PJ. PJ. You're my old man, you know that? You're a good boy. Stay there. Stay there. Nice. Sit down. Sit down. Hey. Sit down. Good boy. There you are. Oh, that's a handsome man. All right, so we're done. The big Peach and he's exhausted. I'm exhausted. We did a lot of walking here in the little town of Hoboken. But as you can see, he's ready to get back and crash. Right? You're gonna crash because you're a good boy. So as you can see, pet photography is hard, and my dog is very trained at home and semi-trained on the streets, but when there's other dogs walking by, when there's people walking by, I'm fogging up here. When there's people walking by, when there's dogs walking by, joggers, you know, birds, it's even more distracting. This is how hard it is to shoot a dog who's semi-trained. It's a lot harder when the dog is completely, you have to keep them on the leash the whole entire time because they just might actually run away. We didn't teach anything today. We didn't learn anything today. I just want you guys to come along and hang out with me and my old man on his birthday. So thank you for doing that much. And I'm gonna let this AC kick in on high when I turn this off so that I can stop sweating. 70 degrees here in Hoboken, and I'm walking around in the sun with a sweater on. It was colder this morning when I first got out. All right, from PJ and I, until next time, be good.